So I have attached the dinghy dock decal, which says we are officially here in Key West, Florida. Cool.
So yesterday we arrived in Key West, Florida, and got here, you know, like mid-afternoon or something like that. Filled up the generator, put fuel in the generator tank, and pumped out, of course, and then found a nice little spot in the anchorage just off of the marina, a little ways from the marina. And today, this morning, Ron is off to do 2 loads of laundry. We have more than 2 loads because it's been a month, over a month, but he's walking and carrying the bags, and there's not laundry at the marina. He has to walk to a laundromat, which is about a half a mile away from the dinghy dock, I guess. So I'm going to spend my morning trying to figure out how to get one of those online medical visits to get prescriptions refilled. My insurance covers me supposedly no matter where I'm at, but my doctor back in Georgia is not allowed to practice in Florida. If anybody has any suggestions on how they handle it, traveling around all the time, because you know, gotta have those prescriptions refilled. Ron is on his way back from doing laundry. Should be here soon. Hey there. How was your morning? Whew, what a way to stop.
It was good.
Was it? Oh, let me see if I can get this. Hey, hold on there. You're getting ahead of me. Hard to do left-handed. All right. Bag 1. Oh. Bag 2. It's easier. How about you? Let me lift you out. What's our lunch plans?
I don't know. I don't know what time it is.
It's 11:30, quarter to 12.
I guess. Eat.
Okay. You coming on aboard then?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
This is heavy. Oh man.
I'm not gonna try it.
No way I'd do that all day.
Try it again.
Once is enough. Well, it's been a long day. We just got back to the boat, and as you can see, it's dark out there, but it was a good day. It's our first full day in Key West. We just pulled in yesterday, dropped anchor yesterday afternoon. We did not go to the island yesterday. We just sat out here on the boat. We generally do that all the time anyway, just to make sure that our anchor is holding before we leave the boat by itself. So this morning we went in, I did laundry, came back, got Marie, we went in and had lunch, and went to the Sails and Rails Museum. Ended up being really interesting. I have to admit I was surprised at how interesting it was, but we really enjoyed it. Had a lot to see there. They had some films for us to watch, and we learned a lot about the building of the railroad and the history of Key West and things like that. So it was really cool. And then we went shopping in and out of different shops. There's a West Marine nearby. We hit it, and then we stayed in for supper and had a nice supper, and then dinghied back to the boat in the dark. So it was fun. It was interesting, and we're looking forward to tomorrow.
This is some of the dinghy docks here in Key West. And it just continues on around. Back to the beginning. We are at Key West, and waves are, just the wind is kicking up a whole bunch of waves. So definitely not a day to leave town.
Thanks for watching.